Okay, to all of my fellow people trapped inside your homes during this virus outbreak thing, I decided that we're gonna go for it. We're gonna try this this stuff called Overtone. We're gonna go with purple. Yeah, I might be a little out of my mind, but who cares? I'm stuck inside for the foreseeable future. Anyway, it came today. Oh, there's a box. There's directions. Okay, we're gonna follow these. We're gonna do our best. Okay. All right. Hey, oh, they sent gloves. They sent good gloves. Gloves are good. Okay. All right. Let's see what we got here. Ooh. There's all kinds of stuff in this box. Okay, here it is. The infamous Overtone that I've heard so much about. It's supposed to color hair without damaging it. Believe it when I see it. Let's see. What else is in here? There's all kinds of stuff. Oh, okay. Purple for brown hair, daily conditioner. Alright, conditioner's good. I always use more conditioner. Okay, this is funny. Alright, check this out. Alright. Color conditioning, deep, thick, and quenching. Somehow not a sex joke. Really? Love up your strands with the boldest color and biggest hydration boost we make. Add pigment for the first time and keep up the vibrancy with weekly treatments. Okay, if you say so. Okay, so this may or may not work. I honestly don't know. But we're gonna give it a shot. I'm wearing a shirt that I don't care about, so because I realize this shit's gonna stain. Alright. Gloves. Overtone. Woo! Oh, that shit is purple. That shit is purple. Hot damn. Oh, that is so purple. Woo! Holy crap, that's purple. Alright. Get off! Get off! Ah, fuck. Okay, so this isn't working out quick, I hope. Holy shit. Oh my god, that is so purple! Look at that! Okay. Alright. We're okay. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Okay. Jesus. Mary and Joseph. Okay. We can do this. We can totally do this. Oh my goodness. Okay, we're just gonna go for it. Oh, there it is. It's on there. It's happening. Alright, we're okay. We're okay. Good Lord, this stuff is thick. Oh my god, it's so thick. I'm gonna regret this, I think. Oh shit. Oh shit, I made it worse. Oh god. Oh god. Holy shit, it's everywhere. We haven't even started yet, and it's every fucking where. This shit better cover my grays. For the love of God. Oh shit, it's everywhere. Oh my god, it's everywhere. Okay, we're good. We're fine. We're fine. It smells like grandma. Seriously. Not grandma now, grandma when she was alive. Grandma now would just be freaking weird. Luckily, I don't think I've gotten it anywhere. Other than my skin, which it looks like it won't come off of for a while. Holy moly. Why did I decide to do this? Why? I have no earthly idea. Jesus. Mary and Joseph. Okay, we're okay. We're okay. It's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. So this shit is pretty much in there. Just gonna dabble a little bit of extra in certain places just to make sure we are well saturated here. That's purple. My poor ears will never be the right shade of flesh ever again. That's okay. Nobody loves me for my ears, right? Okay, so it's gotta sit for like 15 minutes. 10 to 15 it says. I guess. Okay, final result. It is purple. It is totally purple. It is, woo, it is dark. But it is purple. Wow. Yeah. Purple. Yeah. No, it's great. It's actually, my hair is really soft. Like super soft. But oh, look at the purpleness. Oh. Okay. That's where we're at. That's all.